Welcome to my video. Today I'll be teaching you how to draw a yam in a very simple, basic or elementary way. So starting by it, we all know that yam does not really have a particular shape that is being accustomed to it. So in this video we will see how I draw my own yam by just forming shapes for the yam. So to make my drawing to look interesting, I added another shape of yam to the one that I first draw. So by putting this, it make the drawing to look more interesting and to also make the space not to look empty. Then I created a ground section for it. So after this, I started my shading because we all know that yams do have darker color, that is, they have dark tone. Most of the yams or all yams, they have brown, they are brownish in color. So because of this, we have to give it a dark tone, though it still has its own light tone, because there is nothing in the world that doesn't have both the brighter part and the darker part. So but in this case, the darker part will be more than the lighter part. So then by creating your darker part, you have to shade, and as you are shading it, you have to blend the lines together. Just the way you can see it in this drawing. So the more you shade it, the more the tones make your drawing to look a little bit real from it just being lines. Because if you do not shade your drawing, it will only make it to look like lines. It won't give any good impression. But when you add shading to your lines, then it make the drawing to brighten up. It make it to look more like what you are saying. So with this, that's the reason why I added more shade to it, just as you can see. I love to see you in the next video.